Hi, today our group are going to explain some of the subtopic of user experience fundamental. My name is Wei Ziyi. My metric number is 10DIT24F1166.
My name is Ufsa Basra and my metric number is 10DIT24F1154.
My name is Yip Chui. My metric number is 10DIT24F1114.
My name is Yeo Xiangqing. My matrix number is 10DIT24F1090.
Component of HCI, human, physical, hand, eyes, and voice used for interaction. Information are stored in the form of short-term memory, long-term memory, experience level categorized as beginner, intermediate, and or expert. Computer, interactive technology, any device such as a desktop, smartphone, smartwatch, or VR headset. Hardware and software. These include interface UI, operating system, and application. Interactive process communication between the user and system, physical interaction device, conceptual interaction style.
In this section, I'm going to explain the importance of user interface design in human-computer interaction. These are some of the importance. First is support accessibility, improves usability, enhance user experience, provides feedback, boosts efficiency and productivity, reduce learning curve, encourage user trust and engagement. For example, for enhanced user experience, users are able to do the things they want quickly. It helps to make the overall experience of using an app or website better. In addition, for provide feedback, and immediate and meaningful feedback is essential in human-computer interactions. User interface design ensure visual cues, audio and tactile feedback, and error message resolutions. This can help the user to understand the system status and know their own action.
So now I will talk about virtual reality system and 3D visualization. It has three types. So the first one is positioning in 3D space, and then the second one is moving and grasping, and the third one is seeing 3D. Like example, helmet and cave. So next, I will talk about positioning in 3D space. So the technology is 3D mouse and the functionality is move in all direction. The use case example is design, modeling, and simulation. Then the technology is data group. The functionality of it is that tracks finger movement. So the use case example is virtual hand control and remote tasks. So the other example is you can go through. So this is the example of 3D aeroplane. Pitch, yaw, and roll. The middle line of the aeroplane is yaw, and the in front of the aeroplane is roll, and the wing of the aeroplane is pitch. So this is how they roll, yaw, and pitch.
Now I will explain about physical devices. There are four main categories. The first one, haptic devices, which provide tactile feedback. An example is force feedback gloves, and they are used in things like VR controllers. The second one, sensors, which detect physical or environmental changes. Motion sensors and biometric scanners fall into this group, and they are useful in smart homes. Besides that, sound devices, which give auditory feedback. Things like speakers or beeps are used for error warnings. And the last one, physical controls, which let us input manually, like buttons, gears, or touch surfaces. That's all from us. Thank you.